大家好，欢迎来到我的小博客。Hi all, welcome to my channel. We're learning Chinese together here. This is another episode of Words of the Week series, in which I share what vocabulary I have picked over the past week. And as usual, you can write in the comment section what vocabulary you are currently learning. You can just list the words or make examples with them, or ask questions. I will be happy to respond. This way we can all learn faster. Okay, so today's words of the week start with 舒适区, which is a comfort zone. And to leave your comfort zone is 走出你的舒适区 or 跨出你的舒适区. The opposite of that would be 待在舒适区里, to stay in your comfort zone.
那我能不能待在我的舒适区里？
The next word is 简陋, simple, crude, normally about a dwelling, design, or equipment. 简陋的房间, a shabby room. 简陋的技术 or 简陋的网页, a primitive technology, a primitive web page.
还是比较简陋，更像是一个民宿的酒店。
So 简陋 is a negative characteristic. It shows something that is underdeveloped or old. But if you want to say simple in a positive way, meaning something natural, unobstructed, you may want to use the word 简朴。
很简朴的一种生活啊。
The next phrase is 不进则退. The one who is not moving forward is moving backward.
我们经常说人生如逆水行舟，不进则退，是吧？
Another phrase is 好事多磨. The road to happiness is strewn with setbacks. Or literally good things take long to shape.
所以呢，有的时候叫做好事多磨哈，大事多磨难，大事多磨难。
The next word is 勒索, which means to extort, to blackmail. 骗子勒索了他几百块钱. Crooks extorted several hundred bucks from him. 他被勒索了10万美金. He was blackmailed for $100,000. 前女友向他勒索了1万块钱. His ex-girlfriend blackmailed him for 10,000 yuan. The person who blackmails is called 勒索者, and 勒索软件 is ransomware. The next phrase is 不在话下, about something that is not worth mentioning, some small things that go without saying. 这件小事不在话下，我一会儿就能干完。It's a small thing, it's nothing. I will do it in no time. Okay, so that was it for today. Practice in the comments what you are currently learning, and 谢谢大家耐心观看，下次再见，拜拜。